Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel.
If you're already living in Poland and you would like to get your residence permit done, or you would like to renew the one you currently have, in this video I'm going to introduce you to a platform that can make that easy and fast for you. You don't need to stress yourself. Personally, I've had my share of experience when it comes to delaying getting residence permit in Poland. Stick with me to the end in this video as I make your life easier.
When I applied for my TRC on my own in collaboration with the company I used to work for, it took about a year and it didn't still come out. But when I decided to use an agent, within 1 month of using them, it came out. I don't want you to go through the delay I went through, hence I'm recommending this agency known as Karta Pobytu. Karta Pobytu is a platform supporting and bringing together foreigners living in Poland. Their primary goal is to help foreigners obtain residence permit, allowing them to legally stay in Poland. They specialize in obtaining all types of temporary and permanent residence permits. This is who they are.
Do you want to apply for a residence permit and need assistance? Discover the Karta Pobytu.pl portal, your fastest way to obtain a Polish residence permit. With our solution, you can complete all the preparations for obtaining a residence permit online without leaving your home. The process has never been easier, and it's up to 3 times less expensive than standard support. We provide you with access to the app, but remember, there's always someone ready to assist you on the other side. If you have any doubts, we will answer all your questions through our easy-to-use chat. If you prefer to start with an assessment of your documents, even before logging in, you can schedule an appointment for an additional video consultation. Would you like our consultant to assist you at the immigration office? You can find this option in our offer too. Legalizing your stay in Poland doesn't have to be difficult. Create an account on Karta Pobytu PL now and find out for yourself.
This is their website, and to create an account, scroll down and click on this sign up button. After clicking on the sign up button, come to the new page and enter your first name in this box, your last name, email address, repeat your email address, then you type your phone number and check the boxes below and then click on register. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to use my discount code BRENO25. Why is this TRC so important? It's so important for your legalization in Poland. Now, for those who don't know, TRC means temporary residence card or temporary residence permit, known as Karta Pobytu in Polish. This card is needed to stay legal in Poland beyond the validity of your visa. Okay, so it is very important for you to start your TRC application before the expiration of your visa in Poland. Also, if you want to travel outside Poland, maybe to other EU countries or back to your country for a visit, and you want to come back without any complications, then it's important to have this card. To use this agency for cheaper, make sure you use my discount code BRENO25. The link is in the description under this video. Okay, follow the link and do the needful, and don't forget to use my discount code BRENO25 to get their services for cheaper. I offer other useful services as well. Don't forget to check them out in the description box. Also, get my book on immigration if you haven't gotten it yet. To get my book, check the description box for the link. Yeah, that's it about this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section.